Hi, Jim Ryder, Indy Power Products, and I design and we manufacture and sell parts for the 7.3 Ford Godzilla engine. And we do engine assembly and engine sales as well. So when we first took a look at the 7.3 Godzilla engine, we noticed that the biggest challenge was going to be how to get this engine to fit into the cars for the applications that the customers wanted to use it for. The oil pan was a really deep oil pan. The front end accessory drive was really wide, and it just was not going to fit into the cars and trucks that the customers wanted this engine for. So we took a look at how to bring all that in and make a nice compact package. And we started with the oiling system and designed our own oiling system to really take that deep oil pan from Ford that was designed for the truck and shorten it way up so it would fit into applications like Cobra kit cars, Mustangs, F-100s, and trucks like that. Then we did the same with the front end accessory drive, where we brought the alternator in, the power steering in, and designed our own parts to make a really nice, compact, single belt drive system. Exhibiting at PRI is beneficial in a couple ways. One is the attendees that show up there, they really come with a purpose. Either that they already know your product and have done research on it, and really just want a few detailed answers and want to look, touch, and feel the parts. Some come knowing that, hey, I'm going to do a project in the future, I'm doing some planning, I have some questions. But you really can tell by the attendees when they show up at your booth with the questions they ask, that they can really come with a purpose. And that really says a lot about what PRI does and who they advertise to. Another reason we're there is because we use a lot of components from the people that are there showing as well. So the business-to-business activity is really helpful, and you can get a lot of networking and business-to-business functions done over those few days there. And it's just really, at the end of the show, you know, when everybody's done and you're standing there in the booth and you go, okay, we're never asking ourselves, are we going to do this again next year? We're kind of asking ourselves, okay, what are we going to do next year different? What are we going to do bigger? What are we going to do better? So it's just really an overall good experience for us.